Bonjour Sarah.
Bonjour papa.
Ah.
Oui papa.
Tu as bien dormi Sarah? Oui.
Tay. Tay. Tay là.
Yes papa.
À table.
Mais je joue. Mais je suis en train de jouer là. Je suis en train de jouer.
Ah, maman t'a dit d'aller à table pour le petit déjeuner.
Je suis en train de jouer.
Good morning. Why are you still home at 8:30, honey?
I'm thinking that the parking in cars, the fact that it's vacation should be
Empty?
more empty. The week, that's a motivation to wake up. I mean,
No, but why are you still
if I reach
home at
at that time, I might go
8:30?
out.
You're not gonna reach work until about 9:30, 10 o'clock.
No, that's family has to go to work.
Why are you still home at 8:30? This never happens.
No,
So why are you still home?
because it's Christmas week.
It's Christmas weekend.
Christmas week.
Christmas week.
Sarah, bisous à papa. Viens faire un bisou à papa. Ok. Come. Bisous. Good morning, guys. It's the last week before Christmas. Motivation is on the opposite of the top. Motivation is at the bottom. I've gotta wake up. It's starting to get cold, so it's harder to wake up in the morning. But gotta walk. One more week.
Calendar time.
Papa,
Chocolate time.
what about my step? I'm almost bigger than you.
C'est quel numéro?
What number is today time?
20.
Number 20. Ah! Yay!
I think it's the 18, this one that was in the corner. She's struggled to find it.
But
I
you're
think
stuck in her
Yes,
tongue.
it was
I think
this
her
one.
eye sticky.
Open her
staying.
number 20.
Yeah.
It's a teddy bear.
Wow!
Wait,
Sarah, what is it? What's in yours?
it's not just a teddy bear, but it's a teddy bear with toys.
Wow! What is it? Teddy bear! Tell Papa you have to tear off the window.
Bisous, Sarah. Papa, il va au travail. Bisous.
Say bye-bye, Papa. See you later.
À tout à l'heure.
Watch her in the TV. Lord have
Hey,
mercy. Sarah, tell Papa bye-bye.
Bye bye, Sarah. Well, at least she told me good morning this morning.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's sunny cold here, but we have to be out in the streets. I have to take the kids to an appointment this morning, so we're out. I really didn't want to go on the road this week, but hey, I gotta be out in these streets. And as you can tell, it's a few days before Christmas, so out here is busy, and fan schools are on vacation, so make it 2 times worse that the streets are full. Almost everybody you look at have gift bag in their hands, so you know Christmas shopping is going down. But taking the kids to an appointment, so I'm meeting Babe here in town. That's where I am right now, in the center of my beautiful city, Nice, and the tram is passing me right there. So the kids and I are out here waiting for Babe, and then we're gonna head to the appointment. So have a good day, enjoy today's vlog, and we'll see you guys. But you guys haven't said hi to Tyler. From morning. Ty, say hello to the face. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Repeat.
Wagwan.
Where we at?
Las Masinas.
Let me show you guys how busy it's looking around me right now. We're in center town. The Christmas market is over where you see that wheel. Maybe I'll take the kids in there because since I'm in town, might as well I just kill a little time, or I might take them to the park just up the street. I don't know yet, but we'll figure that out after the appointment. So Sarah is here eating chicken nuggets. I couldn't feel the kids' lunch before I leave home, so I made some chicken nuggets for them and carry it on the way.
And you also have rice, pasta, or something like
If I have rice or pasta? No, what you mean if I have rice or pasta? That's why I tell you I have comfort and savan for you. Savan. Stopping at McDonald's real quick for lunch. But we're getting it to go because we might go to the Christmas market a bit. So, or go to the park. I think we're gonna go to the park instead of the Christmas market. Then go to Christmas market. What you wanna do in the Christmas market? Which rides?
well, the big park that we couldn't do.
Which one?
The big park that I had didn't do.
That park kind of expensive, so I'm not sure about that one. Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hi! Okay you guys, so because of COVID, when you order, you have to wait outside and they'll bring your order to you. That's if your order is to go. So if your order is to go, you order at the machine and then you wait outside and they carry your order to you because they don't want too much people inside crowding. So I think that's a good thing. Fish sandwich for the win.
Mama?
Yes?
The queen sandwich, the princess sandwich, and the prince sandwich.
Alright guys, on to the next. We're on the promenade right now and we are heading to the Christmas market. Going to let the kids do one ride and then we're gonna head home. At least they'll have a good day out today and not just come to town for an appointment and back home. So promenade look not so busy, I guess because a lot of people are doing Christmas prepping. So there's just a few people out walking on the promenade today. But let's see if we can get into the Christmas market real quick. Yes, Ty?
I didn't know there was a tour.
You didn't know there was a what? A train? Yes. There is the tour train for Nice. So if you guys come to Nice and don't want to walk the city, the tour train is right here on the promenade for you guys. So let's see if we can get into Christmas market we go. I think we want to go to the one over there. Alright, let's go. So Sarah and Tyler did this train the last time and it's the Ty, that one look full. You see which one? The one you wanted to look full. So much people. You still wanna do it?
I'm not really sure.
Okay, but you can go trampoline. And to go trampoline with your sister?
Okay.
You sure? Okay. Sarah, wait. We soon go in. So I'm trying to take the kids over to this one where they have 15 minutes for €7.50. I just asked her if she take bank cards, so they're gonna have a little fun. But they have to clear it out because 15 minutes and then yeah. Deux tickets s'il vous plaît. Oui. Tyler, ça c'est pour toi.
C'est les adultes qui gardent les bracelets.
Ah, merci, merci.
Si les tickets vous les donnez à la dame.
Ok.
Et les bracelets c'est vous qui les gardez.
Ok, merci.
Et vous pouvez rentrer parce qu'ils sont petits.
Ok, merci. Go Ty, go.
On met les chaussures là-bas s'il vous plaît. Vous gardez les bracelets.
Ok.
Les tickets c'est pour moi. On enlève les chaussures du petit. Il faut y aller toute seule partout.
Voilà, merci.
Merci.
Shoes. Give me a big jacket tie.
Les adultes gardent les bracelets.
Non. Il a quel âge la petite?
Elle?
Oui.
12 ans.
12
Deux.
ans. Vous avez payé pour lui?
Oui, oui, oui.
Oui?
Oui, les deux.
Vous avez deux bracelets?
Oui.
Ok. Juste qui fait attention.
Oui.
Les tapis c'est professionnel, c'est à partir de 3 ans. Pas
Ok, merci. Go Sarah, jump, Sarah, jump. Jump, Sarah, jump. Jump. Huh? That's okay. Tyler, go over there. Jump, Sarah. Jump, Sarah. Wait on her, Ty. Wait on her. Go, Sarah. Go on the yellow. Go on the yellow. Go on the yellow, Sarah. On the yellow. Good job. Yes, you can.
Fais attention les gars. Saute pas comme ça.
Jump, Sarah, jump. Jump, Sarah. Ty, there's a slide. Sarah, go on the slide. You don't need that. Just jump up. Pull up Sarah with you. Look. Pull her up. Pull her two hands. Two hands. Hold her two hands. Right. Excusez-moi, attention. Woo! Go. Up. Go. Ty, don't leave her. Oh. Ty, don't leave her. Go, Sarah, jump. She's following her brother, you know. Wow, good job. Don't leave her. C'est bientôt 15 minutes. Vite. Don't leave her tie. Go. They're doing this bigger one. Hold her hand tight. Look at Tyler pulling her up. Oh my gosh. Wow, good job. Good job, Sarah. Good job, Tyler. Where are they? I'm looking for them to come at the top of this one and then they're gonna slide down. Let's go! Wow, let's go! Let's go, Mama! Sarah, let's go! Woo! Yay! What we gonna finish in? Finish this one? Where are you going now? Babies, look at my babies. Sarah is such a warrior. Oh my God, and Tyler is such an awesome big brother taking care of her along the way. Oh my God, this girl fears nothing. Look at my girl and my boy, they're having the best time. Hi, Tyler. Go, Sarah, catch Ty. Tyler, take care of Sarah, see her there? Oh, she put him back the ball. She put him back the ball. Wow, go, Sarah, go, Sarah. Go! Yay! Go, Ty! Yay! Good job. Go back to the trampoline or something for the last time. Back to the trampoline we go! I feel like a big kid just watching them having this much fun. Oh my God. Stop! Go, Ty, go. Go on that one, yes. Jump! Ty, watch our foot. The beauty of seeing the buildings here in France is just amazing. The architecture that you see when you walk the streets. You had fun. How was your day? It was very good.
Yes, it looked like I only played today.
You look like you only played today. Well, that's good. I mean, you go to school a lot, so it's good to take a little break from school, no?
Yes.
Nice. She had enough for you. Tickle. Tickler tay. We are back home and I am tired, but the kids had the best time out. We didn't even expect that the day would turn out like this. I did not plan on taking them to the Christmas market. I had had hopes of taking them to the park just up the street, where I didn't have to spend any money, but we ended up at the Christmas market and I have zero regret of taking them there. Tyler had the best time. Tyler, dinner time. I am making dinner, but since tomorrow is my big cooking day, today I decided that I'm not gonna cook too much. So I'm just whipping up all the leftovers. The kids had pasta and salmon in the fridge, so that's what they had. They already ate. And for babe and I have quinoa and I have some shrimp, and I'm just gonna add a tin of corn to that, and voila, dinner is ready. Tomorrow we get to all the good stuff and the fanciness. So I'm making dinner real quick for babe and I. Babe should be home any minute. So that's what's on the dinner menu. And my peas, I'm prepping for tomorrow. So my peas is here cooling so I can see if it cook. I have my saltfish over there in water for ackee and saltfish tomorrow, girl. So my prepping is well on its way. Let me see your mouth. Ah! What you eating? What's that? What's that? What you eating? It's yummy? Yogurt yummy? Look at that one. And why you have the spoon the opposite way? You're too cute. We're coming on the end to this vlog. It's been a long day. And tomorrow is going to be an understatement, but it will so worth it. An understatement to how tired and long the day is going to be. But it'll be worth it. You looking forward to tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna have fun. So today she said it was a long day for her, but for me it was just a regular day. It was, I don't know if it's the end of the year but actually I just struggle to wake up in the morning. It's just hard. I think this week that will be hard all week to wake up on
I think
time.
also because you know you're going on vacation at the end of the week, and
that time of the year
Christmas
is like
time.
It's like a quiet time. And I
Right.
guess almost everybody at work, it's more quiet time. People are going in vacation and all this.
You mean almost nobody's at work?
Yeah, so
You guys, this is because I'm saving my energy for tomorrow. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I'm wearing dress today. When is the last time you guys see me in dress? Let me show you me in dress. I'm wearing dress today. Look, your girl is in dress today. I'm in dress. And babe didn't even tell me that. Honey, you look nice. What? You didn't tell me I look nice?
yeah, that's your beauty.
Stroking you?
It's so powerful. It's so strong and so.
Anyway, you guys. See you tomorrow.